Hi children, today we are discussing about the lesson weight. Okay, weight. Children, so when we visit a vegetable shop or vendor, we can buy some vegetables. It is measured by using a weight. How many weights you can purchase it by the vegetable shop or by the vegetable vendor? It may be 3 kg of some vegetables. So usually the weight is expressed in terms of kg. Okay, kg. It is also, so in the full form we can write kilogram. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M. Kilogram. For the smaller quantities we can measure by grams. Okay, grams. The short form of gram is, or the unit of gram is G. We can represent the gram in terms of small g, kilogram in terms of kg. Okay children, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Half kg. If you buy a half kg of sugar, when we measured by using the electronic weighing machine, it measures how much children? 500 grams. So if you are buying some groceries and go to, so you have to visit the grocery shop. So if you buy half kg, the weighing machine, the electronic weighing machine measures 500 gram, and 1 by 4 kg, that is quarter kg, measures 250 gram. 250 gram, and then 3 by 4 kg measures 750 gram. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, half kg is equal to 500 gram, 1 by 4, that is quarter kg is equal to 250 gram, 3 by 4 kg is equal to 750 gram. Okay, so today you have to visit your nearest shop and buy some things. So you have to see the balance, that is a weighing balance, and write the measurements if they are given in terms of kg or in terms of grams. Okay children? So open your textbook, take your sharpened pencil and eraser. When compared to these pictures, look at the pictures from your textbook. See, you know, some animals they are given. What is this? So when compared to this is a bigger, heavier animal, big animal. When compared to this monkey. So here, when compared to these pictures, which is a heavier one? This elephant's weight more than this weight of this monkey. For example, in our classroom, table and chair. When compared to these two, which is the heavier one? The table is a heavier one than the chair, that wooden chair. Here, they are given some objects. You have to write in the box which is the heavier one. This, when compared to this pencil and thread, pencil is the heavier one. Take pencil, write pencil. Okay, spelling P-E-N-C-I-L. When compared to this cotton and this nail, so which is the heavier one? This nail is heavier when compared to the cotton. Cotton, you know children, so when we blow it is very lighter, no? So that's why this nail is heavier one. When compared to this leaf and this eraser, which is the heavier one? The eraser is a heavier one. This leaf is very lightweight, so it can be flies in the air. So these two objects, this thread, cotton and leaves, when we blow these objects, it will be lightly blowing the flies in the air. Okay children, so that's why it can be consist of lighter objects. So when we compared to these picture, we know, everyone know that the elephant is a bigger one, heavier one, no? Next, turn over the page number 134. Here, observe the following pictures, which is heavy. Put the mark in the given box. Children, we are all eating these fruits, no? This banana and pineapple, which is the heavier one? This pineapple. The banana, when compared to this pineapple, banana is the lighter pineapple column. Okay children, next one, say yourself, this glass or bucket, which is the heavier one? This bucket. And this apple and this lemon, which is the heavier one? This apple is a heavier one. The lighter one is called as lemon. When compared to this vase and this pot, which is the heavier one children? This pot is the heavier one. Next, so for find out which is the heavier and lightweight, put heavier weight for H, capital letter H, and lightweight for small capital letter L. Okay. So compare the pictures. They are already given one example for you. Pencil is a lighter one. This book is a heavier one. When compared to this book and this school bag, this book is lighter one. This school bag is heavier one. This skirt and carom board. Carom board is a heavier one. This skirt is a lighter one. This water bottle and scale. Water bottle is a heavier when compared to the scale. Scale is a very lighter object. This chair is a lighter object. This table is a heavier object. We cannot lift the heavier object. Is it right? So next page, turn over the next page children. This bicycle is a lighter vehicle when compared to the car. Car is a heavier vehicle. Next, this cricket ball is a heavier and this ball is a lighter object. This leaf is a lighter object. Mango is a heavier object. Like that you have to write some more example. Okay children. So when you are buying some objects or you can see in the surroundings, you have to write which is the heavier object and the lighter object. For example, which is the heavier objects? Bus or a car? Here, bus is a heavier object when compared to the car. Like that you have to compare and think it yourself. Okay. Take a water in a big tumbler, put a piece of wood and a piece of thermocol. Which object floats children? Usually the lighter object will float on the surface of the water. Which object is the lighter one? So the lighter one is thermocol. Thermocol will float on the surface of the water. The heavier object will be sinks in the water. Sinks means what? Stone ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಳುಗೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಮುಳುಗೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ sinks. When for example, if you take some cotton and the stone, okay, which objects will float on the water? The cotton will float on the water. That stone, it will be sinks in the water. Why it will be sinks? Because stone is a heavier object. Okay children, this is about of the weight. Thank you children.